Hey guys, in this video this is part 1, yeah. I'm going to do some calculations and some filtering. So I have a random 6 question I came up with here. I think it would be better to just kind of understand how it works. But first thing first, I'm going to show you. So I have a database in here. I have 6 students, 6 females and 6 males, okay? And then there is score 1, score 3. I'm just gonna delete this because I'm not going to use this. I'm going to show you in the other video for average. Okay, so I have this, okay? And that's just random number I've came up with, okay? So the first question is, how many students are there? And we're going to use count for coding here. And then how many male students are there? Count plus filter. Who has the highest score for test 1, which is descending? What is the lowest score in test 2? So it's who, yeah, not what. And this is what is the lowest score, okay? And that's ascending. Is the lowest score of the test 2 is 20? If yes, turn off this switch. So we're going to switch off this switch. And then if this is off, okay, if the switch switched off, change Trump to bright.
What's one nice thing you can say about Donald Trump?
He has kind of cool hair, I think.
He has cool hair? Whose hair is cooler? His or yours?
Mine.
And I've actually done it. Come on, yep, there you go. It's actually already done. There are 6 students in total, and there are 3 males and 3 females. The highest score for test 1 is Teresa, and the lowest score for test 2 is 20, and that is correct. So it's switched off and Trump is turned off, so Trump becomes Brad Pitt, okay? Now we're going to see the code here. I'm going to just, so the ID, I'm going to answer this in text, okay? And this is in an input. This is as well, and then this is going to be the label of the button, okay? And this is switch, and this is an image, okay? And if you notice, this is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, 4, 5, and 6, okay? So we have 6 questions here. Yep. Okay. Question 1, okay? The Wixdata query, okay? Because the name of the database is great, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, don't forget to import the Wixdata, and if you're confused what's going on, turn on your dev mode. Okay, Wixdata query grades, and then we count it, and then result like that, and text, okay? Q1 was text, okay? And the result to string. And that is, we got 6 just now. And then question 2, Wixdata, the same thing. And then because we want the gender only female, okay? This is the field key of my database. If you haven't been watching my video, it's just right here. Yep, gender properties right here, the field key gender, okay? And then, oops. Okay, and then Q1 value, the value of this is equal to the result to string. Okay, I think that's very easy. I also had another video on that already. Then question 3, Wixdata query grades, descending. Okay, we want the question is who has the highest score for test 1. So we want descending here, okay? And after then, okay, then results like that. Let items equal to results dot items, okay, and then let first items equal to items that 0. So what we are doing is that we are taking the first only here, okay, and Q3 value, the value is first item dot title. Why title? Because the name of the students were under title right here, okay. If you click the properties, the field key is title with small t, okay. Yeah, that's why. Easy. Question 4, yeah, Wixdata query grades extending the same thing, fine. Then results, and let first item the same thing, okay. It's the stem step, okay. Here, let label equal to first item score 2. What I'm doing here is I'm just gonna call it step 1, and then step 2, and that's step 1, okay, step 1. So here we're getting the number of score 2 in the database, the first item, which means the lowest score, okay, the lowest score. And then step 2, I'm getting step 1, which is a number, okay, step 1 is a number, step 1 is a number, okay, and I made it a string. And then after that, Q4 is a button, yeah, Q4 here is a button. So the label I made that equal to step 2, okay, step 2, which is the number of that becomes a string, okay. So that's not labeled 2 anymore, that's step 1, yeah, step 1 is the number. So don't put the string, don't put that has already become a string. We need the string for the button, but we still need the number here, okay. So if the number is equal to 20, if the lowest score is equal to 20, then Q5 checked is false, okay. So this becomes false. And finally, if Q5 check false, okay, then that search src, okay. This is going to be src, yeah. You can click open the media manager, okay, or you can just put the image address here wherever it is. If it's not protected, that will work, okay. So I don't know what's going on. Why is it? Oh, okay, excellent. Okay, I hope that's clear. I'm going to make the part 2 for more weird calculations that would help you guys. I'm going to put the code in the description. Thank you very much. Bye.